What's up, guys? In this video I want to talk to you about how to do keyword research for YouTube videos. Now, I'm obviously not like where I want to be with the YouTube channel, like don't have that many subscribers, but I have made some fairly good progress, and I credit a lot of it to this tool right here called VidIQ. Now, you can use it for free. They have a free tier, which is what I use. I did use the paid tier initially, but I found that it doesn't make that much of a difference between the free and the paid. So the best thing about this is that you can do keyword research and get a lot of data about various keywords, search terms on YouTube. So this is specific for YouTube SEO, right? This is not Google SEO. So the snake diet keyword that I used quite frequently in the beginning, and you've got a lot of very interesting information here that will help you decide what keywords to use. So if you look at my snake diet videos, you'll notice that they're very keyword heavy. They all have the snake diet in there, right? And that's not because that's because of this, because I wanted the videos to rank. And I think I have gotten a lot of views on those with virtually no promotion because of the SEO that I did. So what I like to do, especially because I'm a new channel, is I like to sort by competition score, right? You sort by competition score, you generally want to go for the lowest keywords first. Right? Now there's another column here called overall score, where if we sort by that, they'll tell you like the best overall score, for the keyword. So generally, like, I guess you could say you should just use these keywords first, but mix it up a little bit, I would say. And you'll also see a lot of overlap, right? Like, for example, snake diet is also included within snake diet dry fasting. However, you can see that like this keyword, even though it's more specific, has a higher competition score than this keyword, which is kind of strange, right? You would think that like the more general keyword would have a higher competition score. Whatever. Anyway, yeah, so I like to sort by competition score, and then essentially what I'll do is I'll just like scroll through the bottom here. Generally what I've been doing is skipping these ones. These are like Shameen Miller, for example. She's a like snake diet coach, and she's great, she's awesome, but like, what, I'm going to make a video about Shameen Miller? I mean, I probably should, because like she's got a lot of search volume every month and a very low competition score, but like, what am I going to say about her? Like, Shameen Miller, she's so inspirational, she's awesome. Like, I guess I could, and I really should, you gotta sell your soul. But let's take the next one, snake diet results, which if you look at, I believe I have a video here that has that in it. I think it's snake diet fasting results, maybe. Snake diet fasting results. Yeah, so maybe it's just snake diet fasting. Let's take a look. Alright, let's see here. What was that one video that I had? Oh, amazing results. Oh yeah, so snake diet fasting transformation. This was actually a very clever way of me doing it. The reason I wrote the title like this, amazing results after 72 hours snake diet, I think the real keyword I was trying to use here was snake diet fasting transformation. Now obviously I've learned a lot. Oh, it's not even listed here. Alright, so maybe it was just snake diet fasting. I've learned a lot about SEO in the past 2 months for YouTube. So I think even when you're starting out, like if you're nervous about not doing things perfectly right away, I don't think that's a reason to not do anything. In fact, I think that's really stupid, and people who are afraid to start something because they think they'll be bad, and I do it too, right? But the benefit of doing this when you're on your computer is that, like, who cares? You fuck up, like, big deal. Like, you're on your fucking computer. Like, you don't like it, you feel bad, close the fucking computer, walk away, go do something else. But that's just me. So yeah, anyway, you guys can get VidIQ. I think you just go to like vidiq.com, maybe. Possible. I'll put a link in the description. You can go there if you want. Yeah, vidiq.com. It's a pretty good tool. There's also another one called TubeBuddy. I haven't used that because I found that this is just like, this is good enough for me. Okay, so if you guys have any questions, let me know. Like, subscribe. Peace.